Oh, hey there, friend. Thanks for being here with me today. I'm out at one of my favorite parks. Just a quiet spot just outside town. Perfect for a walk and maybe a little adventure. Looks like we got some deer tracks here. They're fresh, almost like the deer were just up ahead. It's a neat feeling knowing that they were walking the same trail not long ago. Oh, hey there, buddy. This is a painter turtle. He's just posted up like he owns the place. Didn't seem to mind you stopping by, though. Alright, little guy. You enjoy your day. Thanks for sharing the spot. Reach the overlook. Peaceful pond resting quietly below. Feels like the perfect place to open a pack. Now, what I've read, I'm not supposed to do the pack trick on this one. No, I should have done more digging. It's a beautiful card. Oh, followed by another. Two good pulls for one pack. It's not a bad day. Thanks for coming along today. It's funny how a simple walk, a quiet trail, or a pack of cards can bring us back to ourselves. I hope wherever you are, you find moments like this. Calm, a little unexpected, and full of wonders. Stay joyful, stay curious, and as always, may your packs be full of wonder.